What's poppin'?
Hope you guys are good. It's your favorite DJ Apex, and I'm not alone, guys. I'm with my baby.
It is your girl, Lady N. You know what it is.
Oh yeah. Alright, guys, it's the fourth episode of What's Poppin', guys. Episode 4, guys. Hashtag to that, like, push it to that, guys. If I'm gonna be able to show you, guys, we still have the first 3 episodes. So the main episode is your color. Yeah,
guys, and sorry, guys, it's Singapore even delay, like symptomatic,
Alright, guys, let's get straight to it. Guys, the first thing we start on is the latest updates on Amapiano, guys. So we have DJ Maphorisa. So DJ Maphorisa leaves Amapiano to return to Afro music. So
Mara Maphorisa for in. And uthena ipiano lisezandleni eziright.
Yeah.
But vele like ukukhuluma like iqiniso yabo, because like ipiano la no guys liyashisa. Ayinto kudlala.
Yeah,
liyashisa strong.
Yeah, apparently we got that comment because uthi and the industry like is in the right hands, and basically in other words we should like if you're you know, but we loved his jams. We're still gonna love his new jams with Afro, because we did love him before. I in the Afro. You know?
And the
So yeah, shout out to Maphorisa. Maybe he has a new vision because he's the king of visions. Sounds bafithu. Nani nasibonela ngo extapi. Umthathile wambeka le bafithu. So yeah, like, and a lot of artists not only with happy bafithu. Yeah. Alright, guys, let's get to another one. Cowboy gives back to the community schools in Davidton. Oh, that's very great. That's very great.
Like kuhle ukuthi yabona kwesinye isikhathi imali uyisebenzisile ebantwini abayidingayo vele. Siyabonga nje Cowboy ukuthi abe nenhliziyo like enhle ngangokuthi aye eDavidton ayosiza izikolo. Yabo, so shout out to Cowboy. Lento yenzile ayixhakethe.
Alright, guys, let me go through like a special article that I got around stories of a Cowboy. So here it says, paid a special visit to one of the schools in Davidton. Hopefully we will be able to cover 80% of the schools in the Davidton community. Thanks to @laluzend and @official __ Basetsana for the support, he wrote. In the photos shared, Cowboy can be seen smiling along school children, taking pictures and interacting. Let's get to another one, guys. Ulihleza speaks out against GBV and toxic relationship, guys. Yeah, it's really tough out there, guys. And I think some of his chants like are really speaking about like izinto ezenza kuma relationships, you know. Yeah. So yeah, shout out to him though. Yeah,
shout out.
Yeah.
Guys, like very abuse, guys. I accept the right, especially when besilisa ngicela nigwemeni manisandla, guys.
Last year this thing became like a whole pandemic now, and we lost a lot of women, a lot of children last year, and like so.
Now they say it's
still going on.
Like istory sakhe sibhlungu. Dala thulile uhleli nebhube esendlini uthulile yena. So like nani bantu besifazane like ningahlali mani. Ubone ukuthi la injabulo yakhe ayisekho. Yabo, your happiness come first. So muzocabangela omunye umuntu ubone ukuthi uyakuhlukumeza but still usahleli. Shuthi wena awusithandi. Yeah, understand. So no, like stop gender-based violence.
But we need to push this screening bafethu. Lento le kumele siyeke bafethu yabo. Abantu besifazane kumele bahlale basive. Alright, the other article that we have is for Ulihleza. So Ulihleza went on to emphasize that abusive behavior often starts with warning signs that should never be ignored. He added, but signs of an abusive boyfriend are always there. first impama nje, why ungayeki lo muntu? Like those were the comments. So this statement highlighted a painful reality that many abusive relationships show red flags early on, yet victims often feel trapped or hopeful that things will change.
Guys.
Nice. So we came to our conclusion of the show, guys. Usmamane drops a new EP called G-Wagon Music, Baby Time.
Guys, ngiyawuzwa lo mlilo uyeza lo mlilo.
Yeah.
Uyeza, ushisa njengalelanga phakathi.
Hey, it's very hot. Hey.
Hot.
Yeah, so like we got like a comment with Sithoni Taimane, even Usmamane, they became very emotional about the project. So let's say the project, Simameleni Bafethu, abo sizwe ukuthi yini the story abazongudiscuss. Yeah. Alright guys, we came to the end of the show. What's popping? Siyabuya futhi bafethu, another episode on the next week.
Yes,
and then
guys.
Please subscribe guys, ningakhohlwa nihlale ninathi bafethu, stay safe.
Yeah, sure.